Tired of uneven cuts and exhausting yard work that steals your weekends and drains your energy every season? Today, we're going over the best 22-inch self-propelled lawnmower from our top picks. Bring power, precision, and comfort, helping you finish faster with professional results at home. All product links are in the description below. Let's get into it. Number 1. YARDMAX 201cc Lawn Mower. The YARDMAX 201cc Lawn Mower is built for homeowners who want strong cutting performance combined with excellent control. Its standout feature is the industry-leading continuously variable transmission, CVT, allowing you to adjust mowing speed smoothly to match your walking pace. Instead of forcing you to keep up with a fixed speed, this system makes mowing feel natural and less tiring during longer sessions. Aggressive spiked rubber tires provide impressive traction, especially when mowing uneven lawns or slightly wet grass, improving stability and maneuverability. The single-lever deck adjustment makes changing cutting height quick and convenient without interrupting workflow. Maintenance is also simplified through the deck clean-out port, allowing you to wash grass buildup underneath the deck quickly after mowing. Overall, this mower delivers dependable power, smooth operation, and practical design features that suit both medium and large residential lawns. Number 2. EGO Power Plus Lawn Mower. The EGO Power Plus Lawn Mower offers a modern alternative to traditional gas machines by delivering impressive electric performance without noise, fumes, or heavy maintenance. Producing up to 11.1 foot-pounds of cutting torque and blade speeds reaching 3,350 RPM, it provides cutting power that rivals many gas mowers while remaining environmentally friendly. Its 22-inch cast aluminum deck is extremely durable and backed by a lifetime warranty, giving users confidence in long-term reliability. The included 56V 10.0 AH battery delivers up to 70 minutes of runtime, making it suitable for larger yards without frequent charging interruptions. One of its strongest advantages is the Select Cut multi-blade system, allowing users to customize cutting performance depending on whether they prefer fine mulching or efficient bagging. Operation feels smooth, quiet, and easy to control, especially with the self-propelled design. For homeowners seeking powerful performance with reduced maintenance and cleaner operation, this mower stands out as a premium cordless option. Number 3. PowerSmart LM2206SP Lawn Mower. The PowerSmart LM2206SP Lawn Mower combines durability, power, and user-friendly operation in a practical design suited for demanding residential lawns. Powered by a reliable 170cc gas engine with recoil start and auto choke, the mower delivers consistent performance while simplifying engine startup. Its rear-wheel drive self-propelled system provides strong traction, making it especially effective on slopes, rough terrain, or uneven grass surfaces. A spacious 1.4 bushel rear grass bag collects clippings efficiently, reducing cleanup time and supporting composting efforts. High rear wheels enhance maneuverability and improve stability when navigating bumps or thicker grass patches. With its balanced combination of cutting power, efficient grass collection, and reliable propulsion, the PowerSmart LM2206SP is a solid choice for homeowners looking for performance and practicality without unnecessary complexity. Number 4. SENIX LSSG-H2 Lawn Mower. The SENIX LSSG-H2 Lawn Mower is designed to make yard maintenance simple, efficient, and comfortable for everyday users. Featuring a 22-inch cutting width, it covers lawn areas quickly while maintaining precise results suitable for small to medium-sized yards. The front-wheel drive self-propelled system reduces physical effort, while the dependable Briggs & Stratton 163cc EXI 675 engine provides consistent power and easy starting through the prime and pull system. Its versatile 3-in-1 steel deck allows mulching, side discharge, or rear bagging, depending on seasonal lawn needs. The included large-capacity bagger handles significant amounts of grass before needing to be emptied, improving workflow efficiency.
A single lever height adjustment with 6 cutting positions ensures accurate grass height control for different lawn conditions. Additional conveniences like the fold-down handle, vertical storage capability, and washout port make storage and cleaning straightforward. This mower delivers reliable performance, versatility, and practical usability for routine lawn care.
Number 5. YARDFORCE 150cc Lawn Mower. The YARDFORCE 150cc Lawn Mower offers dependable performance backed by a trusted Briggs & Stratton EX625 engine equipped with Ready Start technology for quick and effortless starting. Designed with a rear-wheel drive self-propelled system, it maintains strong traction on both flat lawns and inclined surfaces, helping users mow comfortably without excessive pushing effort. Its 3-in-1 functionality allows mulching, side discharge, or rear bagging, giving flexibility based on lawn conditions and personal preference. The single lever height adjustment provides 7 cutting positions, allowing easy customization from short trims to taller grass maintenance. Large rear wheels combined with sturdy front wheels enhance maneuverability and control across uneven terrain. Overall, this mower delivers reliable engine performance, versatile cutting options, and user-friendly handling, making it a practical choice for homeowners seeking consistent lawn care results. That wraps up the top 5 best 22-inch self-propelled lawnmower. Like, subscribe to The Ultimate Review, and turn on notifications. Thanks for watching.